Discover the silver level of the 9ers workshop. Are you ready to take your child's learning experience to the next level? Introducing the silver level of our 9ers workshop, where we delve into the art of identifying the flow of a topic and revolutionize the way your child perceives their lessons. We understand that sometimes lessons can be boring, but fear not. Our workshop will equip your child with the tools to unlock the hidden excitement within every subject. By understanding the flow of a topic, learning becomes an adventure rather than a chore. The initial step to getting your child engaged in their studies is finding the flow. We'll teach them how to navigate through complex subjects and connect the dots effortlessly. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to clarity. Prerequisites for this level are reading and writing abilities. We believe that strong foundational skills are essential for academic success, and we're here to help your child develop and refine them. Join us at the silver level of the 9ers workshop and witness your child's perception of learning transform. Here's what some of our happy parents have to say. My son used to dread boring lessons, but after attending the silver level, he now approaches his studies with a newfound excitement. Thank you, 9A's workshop. The flow concept taught at the silver level has made a significant impact on my daughter's learning experience. She's more confident and engaged in her lessons. It's truly amazing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to empower your child's education. Enroll them in the silver level of the 9ers workshop today and witness their academic journey take a remarkable turn.